Hello and welcome to this video by Perfect Scores. This video is on Parajumbles and I'm Preetinder Kaur. And don't forget to note down our email address, our website address and the Facebook page. So let's look at the options. You have one option beginning with D, two options beginning with B and one with C. And there's one option that ends with D, one that ends with B, and two that end with A. So it's a really mixed bag that you've got this time. So let's look at the sentences one by one. Let's read them out. The oldest fossil grasses are just 70 million years old, although grass may have evolved a bit earlier than that. There have been land plants for 465 million years, yet there were no flowers for over 2/3 of that time. The equally familiar grasses appeared even more recently. Flowering plants only appeared in the middle of the dinosaur era. Now, you know that option A can definitely not be the first sentence, but let's look at the other options. Now you see there's a little bit of a link that you can see between sentences C and D. Because we're talking about equally familiar grasses. So what's familiar? Something familiar to flowering plants. Because you know flowering plants are really common. So definitely there is a pair that you have, C and D should stick together, but the question is which one should come earlier. Now you wouldn't use equally familiar in a sentence first and then give the first familiar portion. So it should be D first and then it should be C. Flowering plants only appeared in the middle of the dinosaur era. The equally familiar grasses appeared even more recently. Alright, and you see over here we're talking about the grasses, and then in option A we're talking about the oldest grasses are just 70 million years old. So that means option A, the sentence A should definitely come after C. So this is one part of the solution you have, made up of two mandatory pairs. One is DC and one is CA. Let's eliminate options that don't have them. So first option has it, but there's B in the middle. Second says B, C, A, D. So because of this D, option 2 is ruled out. Third option says C, A, which is fine, but then D is coming at the end. Again, D is eliminated. Now you're left with DCBA or BDCA, and it's all about position of B. Should B come over here or should it be the first sentence? Now definitely you cannot begin this whole paragraph with D because it looks like it's beginning from the middle, just like that. So D is not going to be the first sentence. Your answer is going to be option 4. So just to be a little bit more confident in your answer, I would recommend you to go ahead and read this entire passage in this order: B, D, C, and A. So thank you so much for watching this video.